Awards for 2018. You guys are the stars here tonight.
I think that the people that turned up tonight have enjoyed it. Certainly all the comments I've heard so far certainly represent their happiness with the event, and lots of positive comments about the industry and where the industry is going, what we're trying to achieve as Welding World and the AWD. So yeah, I couldn't wish for more. It was really good.
It's been an exceptional evening on all fronts. We've had a very, very positive night. Won an award, won a raffle, and won one of the silent auctions. So it doesn't get much better than that.
No, it's been an excellent evening. I think there's approximately 280 people here this evening. Great networking and a really good atmosphere. Everyone seems very positive. 2018 has had a great start for the welding industry, and let's hope it continues for the rest of the year.
So it's nice to see that the people appreciated the hard work that you've put in. It's good to be recognised.
So together, this award and the awards that everybody has won tonight really represents what we're all about, which is the customer.
We all network here and we meet people who we haven't spoken to for a long time, but it's all a common goal to make the success of the industry, and it's our industry, we make the best of it.
It's a superb organisation. It's the only thing that brings us all together, and I would absolutely encourage everybody, whatever their participation in whatever part of the welding industry is, to have a fresh look at the AWD, and I really hope that we can have more people from the industry here at this kind of event next year.
An excellent evening, and I hope everybody enjoyed it. As I said earlier to lots of people, it's very important that we support and continue to support the AWD and in all its important work that it does for the welding industry.
We really care for this industry, and you know, my family business and so many other family businesses are putting so much work into developing it, making it something bigger and better. Hopefully it will all come out in the wash and we'll all be winners, and you know, that's really what matters to everybody.
Your support will help us to continue to raise awareness and undertake vital research into kidney cancer.